Hello everyone, it's Chiaki.
Today, we'll make our third eggplant recipe. I know we have a lot of eggplant recipes, but I got many wonderful eggplants from my family vegetable field, and I wanted to share all the great recipe I made with them. Okay, last recipe is a deep-fried dish with a Japanese broth. Here are the ingredients we will need. Eggplant, young ginger, Japanese dashi broth, sake, mirin, soy sauce, red chili pepper, Japanese leek and okra, and some salt. First, let's make a Japanese broth. Place the mirin and sake in the pot and set the heat to medium. Cook well to allow the alcohol to evaporate. This will make it taste more mild and smooth. Next, add a soy sauce and a Japanese dashi broth. Today's Japanese dashi broth is made from kelp and bonito. If you want to know how to make this type of broth, please leave a comment. And final, add a chili pepper, a pinch of salt, and grated ginger to give a nice flavor and accent. Next, we need to prep the eggplant. First, cut it in half and place close pattern on the eggplant. It helps the flavor soak deep into the eggplant. This technique also works great when cooking daikon radish. It's just like the dengaku recipe, the last recipe. We sprinkle the eggplant in salt, wait 10 minutes, and pat the slices with paper towel to get a little of the excess moisture. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. Okay, time to deep fry. Simply cook the eggplant slices until they are perfect golden brown. Once cooked, you want to quickly start them soaking in the Japanese broth to give them a nice deep flavor. In total, they taste best if they can soak for at least 30 minutes. You can also let them sit overnight and enjoy it next day. To make this dish look even more professional, you can top it with shiraganegi. For these, cut leeks into about 5 cm lengths and remove the green part inside. We use only white part for shiraganegi. Oh, but don't throw the rest away. You can use it for anything else you can plan to cook soon. And open up the white part and cut it thinly into julienne stripes. Soak in cold water and rubbing them well. This helps cut down the sharp onion taste. And then, dry off any liquid using a kitchen paper. Okay, ginger time! I suggest trying to make the ginger stripes as thin as possible. First, peel the skin and slice the ginger, and then cut into super thin julienne stripes. To serve, nicely place the eggplant and okra in a bowl. Oops, I forgot to show you to prep the okra. You just boil them the 30 seconds. Next up with the thin slices of ginger and shiraganeki. And enjoy! I love this dish. It reminded me of summer in my hometown. With the vegetable field right beside our house, we just go outside, pick what we need, and make this great summer dish anytime we like. Oh wow, this video is already over. If you enjoy this, make sure to subscribe to this channel for lots of more great tips and ideas. Please leave a comment below and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Yummy! Yummy!
In the next video, we will show you how to make an easy sushi cake. So make sure to check it out. See you then. Bye!